Let's pause the tutorial for a minute and let me show you how my brushes work. Oh, wait, is this shameless self-promotion? Yeah, pretty much it is. But I promise, these brushes are really good. And the best part, some of them are even free to download. So, let's be honest, the tools you use really make a difference. That's why professional artists are so picky about what they use. I have always thought that all you need to become a good artist is motivation and a good brush. So I had to create a perfect one. I worked on that for about 2 years, but I ended up with not one but 15 different brushes that I swear by. These brushes will elevate your art, add texture to your illustration, and help you create beautiful realistic transparencies in a matter of seconds. They will allow you to experiment and find your own personal amazing style. I promise, these are the Procreate brushes you'll actually love to use. Don't take my word for it. Just check their ratings on Gumroad.
Am I stuck in a time machine? I've never been where I'd like to be. Real love might be beautiful. How would I know? Far apart, but we're keeping up. A little spark's all it really takes. Wait up, take your time with me. Yeah, take it slow. Don't wanna have that kind of feeling on the wall between us. Don't wanna have that kind of feeling. I try to walk to the deep end. All it takes is a little spark. I'm sick and tired having to pretend. The forest fire that will break your heart. Am I stuck in a time machine? Suddenly everything is gone. 25 feeling 17. Am I the only one? Is it just having common sense? Or purely a coincidence? Days pass, feels like seconds